The last full working week before Christmas has been a quiet one on the dock, but one that was not without significant events. Anyone who anticipated work on the steel structures delivered last week will be disappointed. The focus continued to be on work indoors. Besides the craftsmen of Fox Construction, who are ever present, there were specialists on the dock in control systems and compressed air management. Elsewhere, the routine of ferry operations continued, including the delivery of diesel exhaust fluid. It was quite a surprise on Thursday to see a platform stationed off the end of the south finger. The platform is very firmly grounded and has thick rubber fenders. It seems very likely that Kehoe Marine, who probably installed it overnight to benefit from calmer conditions, intended to serve as a temporary dolphin. Their tug, Houghton, with a barge and excavator, remain nearby should assistance be required. But how does this square with the delivery last week of the corner pieces? Well, late in the week, it was revealed that those pieces have been removed from the dock. A weekend visit actually established that they had been loaded for departure. The reason is unclear. It could be for adjustment or some other purpose, but we may never know. These steel pieces, which remain on the ground by the battery building, may be associated. It's very tempting to speculate that the appearance of a dolphin may signal an intention to bring the Wolf Islander 4 into this new dock, but only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and it only remains to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.